What's up, guys? All right, so we're back for round two. I asked you guys to guess how many sweet potatoes were in this thing, and now we're actually gonna find out. All right, come check it out. Okay, disclosure, full disclosure, I've never harvested potatoes before. And another key sign on when your potatoes are actually ready to harvest is when the leaves are starting to turn yellow, not just when the pot cracks, but that's also another good indicator. So bear with me, we're gonna rip into this and see how many potatoes are in there. All right, first things first, we're taking off this. Coming out. We're just gonna start opening her up. Oh man, okay. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you guys. All right, that's a nice sized one right there. Wow, they're small and they're big and they're connected to each other. Another one. Oh, there's a good one. Ooh! Okay, we're doing it. We're getting there. There's another one. That's fun. All right, let's get in here. Potato. Oh my word! Woo! All right, that's homegrown organic, right there. Wow. You guys, so I'm kind of destroying this pot of potatoes right here, mainly because the pot cracked. But when I'm gonna start my new batch of potatoes, one way you can really do it that's easy is let one of these potatoes sit out and get a little old, and it'll start to grow what's called slips. You peel those slips off and put them inside of a cup of water, and those slips will start to grow roots. And then you can plant that slip right into the dirt, and that's exactly how I grew this pot right here. We're getting close to the end here, guys. Okay, couple more at the bottom. Little babies. Oh, wait, there's another big guy. Woo! Gosh, I should have had like 5 pots when I started this, you guys, like 2 years ago. Oh. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, gosh. Another one? Alright, I just destroyed this pot. I'm sure there's a more efficient way, but... Oh, wait. Alright, I think that's it. We're down to the babies. Alright, you guys. I don't know if official count, because I have some in the house, so let's just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These, I mean, we'll still count them. 13, 14, 15. Let's say that's 1, 16, 17. Okay, we're talking 15 to 20, depending on how much you count the small guys. But that's an awesome harvest, you guys. Plus, say 5 in the house. We're close to 25. I'm gonna give you guys an official count later, but 20 to 25, looking pretty good. That's Plant Conscious Energy out.